Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nairaworkers. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the step by step on how you can make at least 1,000 naira a day in Nigeria. At least 1,000. This means that you can make more than 1,000, but a minimum of 1,000 naira per day in Nigeria using one of the best online investment app, PiggyVest. I must tell you, I just discovered this and I know that this is one of the surest means of making money. Doing nothing, people just come and register. They have 1,000, you have 1,000. So as they get 1,000, you also get your own 1,000 automatically. So to get started, just go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store and download the application known as PiggyVest. PiggyVest, yes, this is one of the ways many people in Nigeria make money. So this PiggyVest, you download this. So me, I've already downloaded it, so I just have to just open it. So I'm just going to click on open. Download it is very small. So this is it. So I am into my application. All you have to do is just to refer people. Yes, refer people. So click on refer and earn. As you can see, anytime you refer, any person that you refer will get 1,000 naira. This is a good way. They get 1,000 naira, you get 1,000 naira. It's a win-win game for everybody. So just tell your family, your friend, let them just come to PiggyVest and register and just complete some of their profile on the platform. Immediately they will get their 1,000 naira. Yes, 1,000 naira will get it, and you yourself you get your own 1,000 naira. That 1,000 naira is not from their own money. No, not from their money. It's from the company. And this testimony, I saw this and I like it, and I've got online to make research and research. And I see that it is very legit, very real. And don't be good. I'm to keep it myself, so I'm sharing to you. Just share it to your friends, share it to your friends, your family, and instantly, you are good to go. You get your 1,000 naira. So I'm going to put the link to this application. I'll put it in this description box below. So I will put my own link. You just click on it. The application link, not mine. Application link. They click on it. You'll be able to register. Then when you register, then you'll be directed to download the application. Then you are good to go. Just share people with your link. Let them just immediately they register and complete their profile. You get 1,000 naira. They get 1,000 naira. But there's some time that you might be unable to get many people to register. So I'm going to show you one of the best ways you can actually make people to register, but it just costs you small money. It can cost you about 30 naira to 50 naira. So about 30 naira to 50 naira is not compared to 1,000 naira. So the money you get in return is greater than the money you're going to spend. So if you want to get more results faster, all you have to do is just go to your browser and register on the website known as Nairaworkers. So nairaworkers.com. I'm going to put the link to this website in this description box below. So just come to nairaworkers.com, then you register. When you register, then you locate post job. So you locate post job. Then when you get to post job, just set the category of what you want to put, what you want to do. So what you have to do is come down, Facebook, not Facebook. So we want people to sign up and to do some other things. Okay. So what they have to do is you should download a mobile app. So you just come to this place and click download plus register. So when you get to after you have registered on Nairaworkers, just click on the post job. So let me just come back and show you everything from scratch. I did it and I get to this place. So this is what you come across. So just come on this menu icon here and click on. So I have to register actually. So I'm going to log in. Even this application also have its own refer bonus. And whenever you can refer people, they will pay you 500 naira. So I'm just going to log in. Then I'm going to sign in. So you are going to register. And then you have your own dashboard. So all I'm going to do is to come to my menu here and click on post job. Although you can do other things, apart from actually posting job, you can actually make money on this website itself. Yeah, it's one of the best way you can make money. Just go to job and you see so many jobs that you can do. Simple job, but the money can be around 20 naira per job, and it depends on how much you can do. So when you reach 2,000 naira, you'll be able to withdraw it from Monday to Friday. That's why I love it. Monday to Friday, you're able to withdraw the money. So for the sake of the PiggyVest, just them make your job should be download plus install. So what I have to do is the sub. So what I want to do is that what is the name of the website? So one of them do they should download a mobile app and they should install. So how many workers do you want to do? So let me say I want up to like 200 workers. So I plan about 200,000 naira. Okay, let me just shorten it to like 45 workers. So then how much is the rate you want to pay? So I'm going to say I want to pay around 45 naira. So when I pay 45 naira, then you'll be able to know. Then when you click on calculate total, so the amount of money I got to register to be 22,660 naira plus 75 naira. So this is money they're going to withdraw for you to make 45,000 naira. So immediately you accept and post, and you accept and put your job on this platform. Let me tell you the good thing. There are many people on this platform. Let me show you. Let me just show you. You see what I'm talking about. There are many people on this platform. So when I click on available job, there are many people on the platform that are doing job. People come here to do job, to do some remote job, and they make their money. So you just put your link on the website. You put your link as a job here. People will download the application and register. Then they have the 1,000 naira. You also have your own 1,000 naira. You can see the available job. So this one, just to subscribe on YouTube, you have 14 naira. Oh, so just to subscribe, just to click on subscribe button, you have 14 naira. And you can see out of 55 people, 50 people have already done it. And you can see this is a very easy way. You can also make money here. I'll tell you a very easy way of making money. So you can make money on PiggyVest and also make money on Nairaworker. It is the best. So just put your referral link on as a job on Nairaworker. People will come here and do it. They get their money and you get your own money. Ladies and gentlemen, so please subscribe, like and share. I create video all about businesses and how to make money online. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.